On 9/7, my lords, defects were cleared on 18/7. Since 50 days, it is not being tested, my lords.
And then, Malats, we've also filed the report of the State Health Department. Malats, they've not gone back to work, the doctors, Malats. 23 people have died in the process.
Now, what about the CBI? Has the CBI
Lord,
prepared a
my
status
report
report?
is ready, my lord.
We saw your status reports, which were.
Malats, we filed a separate application, Malats, which
Lord,
I think has.
I don't think I have the copy. I'm not complaining. I'm just requesting him, my lord, to give it to me right now. Maybe they have served, it has not reached me, or they have not served, whatever. my lord.
It's not served. It's not served.
Not served, my lord. They have not served on me.
Yes.
Sealed on.
Put it in a sealed envelope and therefore we.
Sir, sorry.
Say one thing, my lord, what is filed by Mr. Sibal is not served upon me. That's what he said.
It is not filed. It's not filed.
Give it to the court.
It's only given to the
But if
court.
they want to say something, why hide something from the CBI?
Well,
You've
let's
already
see
done
what
many
the-
things.
I mean, I think let's not get lost in.
Yes, Malats,
Yes,
otherwise.
Let's see what they see. Let's see the, first and foremost, let us find out what the status of the investigation. What is the time at which
The UD.
UD, yes.
Yes, I'll settle.
UD 861 of
Yes.
2024 comes
We
into.
certainly answer that.
Lord, your lordships had the benefit of going through this, my lord. I would request your lordships to go through.
Yes, yes, we have.
Yeah, just to assist your lordship, Lord. Not, I am not adversarial, because we are dealing with a daughter and she is a daughter of each one of us. Therefore, my lord, I am taking it in that spirit. Please have a look at, my lord, this left-hand side and the right-hand side, my lord. Kindly go through it, my lord, with some, my lord, degree of attention. Your lordships, I have gone through, my lord.
Death certificate, yeah. Yeah. To 440.
The judicial magistrate arrives and conducts it.
And the judicial magistrate arrives and conducts it. He comes at 4:10. And then the inquest is conducted at 4:20 to 4:40.
Mr. Sybil, also, second question, when was the search and seizure actually carried out?
This one is just 8:30 to 10:45.
8?
8:30 to 10:45.
Yes.
The photographs had been taken before, Malats.
8:30 in the morning or in the evening?
Evening, Malats.
The body was found in the morning at 9:30.
That's
so
right.
it cannot be
Photographs were
before that.
taken.
It's only when the water is removed.
Once the body was removed, Malats, for post-mortem, then only, Malats.
And by whom? There is some relevance. Therefore, my lord, I would like my learned friend to ask. There is some relevance.
Malats, we have photographs from 12:45 p.m. onwards of everything that happened. We have the original with us.
Now, during the course of the previous hearings, and therefore I think though the investigation is going on, we can share this because you've all said it openly,
Yes, Malats.
that there is evidence that there is a CCTV footage to indicate what time the accused
Yes.
enters the seminar room and what time he's exiting the seminar
Correct,
room.
correct.
Right? This is
Yeah.
shared with us. Now, obviously, therefore, there would be CCTV footage after 4:30 in the morning throughout the day.
Yes, there
Now,
will be.
has the CCTV footage in its entirety been handed over to the CBI?
Yes.
Yes, we have taken.
Yes.
We have taken.
You have taken the
have
CCTV
taken,
yes.
footage.
We had to reconstruct the scene because of the distance. my lord.
But
It
then,
covers only a part.
Mr. Solicitor, how do you explain this statement in your affidavit at small road over, as the Calcutta police handed over to the CBI, the entire footage of the proceedings which took place between 8:30 p.m. and 10:45 p.m.
Lord.
Because CBI seems
Yes,
to have
yes.
What is shared with us,
is about 27
27 minutes.
minutes, they say. The
4 clippings totaling duration to 27 minutes. And the proceedings conducted from 17:06, that is 5/6, to 22:45 hours.
Mr. Sibal said that
Well,
we have actually
I'm just
conducted from
taking
8:30 PM, that is 20:30.
I'm just taking instructions,
Yes.
8:30 to 10:45. The video of that. Well, seizure 8:30 to 10:45 given. Then, Malaj, in parts, the videos have been given in parts. There was some CCTV in hard disk in parts, completely given, Malaj. There was some technical glitch. It was stored in part, but given in full. Hard disk is full. And he's made a statement that I've given it.
It's, in this context, I need to, my lord, come in, my lord, here, because there is something, my lord, which according to me is very, very serious, my lord. My lord, I want a flap. My lord, we have the forensic examination report. I'll not read it, my lords. But one thing, my lord, is admitted. When the girl was found at 9:30, but I'm sorry, but her jeans were removed and even the undergarments were removed and were lying somewhere nearby. So she was in a semi-nude condition. It is also an admitted position now that there were injury marks on the body and other my lord, areas. Now, your lordships may kindly see the report. Give me copies. This is a foreign, my lord, your lordships may mark. They have taken the samples. They have sent it to an FSL in West Bengal, and this is the result. And
CFSL,
CFSL West Bengal.
Central Lab, not
Yes,
not
yes,
a FSL.
correct. I'm not on anything else. वो कहाँ है दूसरा? हाँ, यहाँ पे लगा. Lord, I have only one copy right now. Please see this, my lord. This is serious, and the CBI has taken a decision to send the samples, collect, my lord, to AIMS and other, my lord, Central Forensic Science Laboratory. The person enters, the body parts are not covered, the lead girl is made nude, there are injury marks, and this is the result of FSL. Therefore, who took the samples becomes relevant. Kindly, my lord, have a look.
In the course of the further investigation. We'd like a status report to be submitted to us by next Monday. Mr. Sibal, it's advisedly we should not be
Yes,
referring
of
to what
course.
has emerged during the course
Of course,
the
of course. Yes, absolutely.
Let the CBI proceed on the basis of what they are now exploring,
Sure,
the leads which they are pursuing.
sure.
And we'll keep it now on next Monday. So that
It's a holiday, it's a Tuesday.
Moment, please.
Only a minute, Mr. Lord, there is one IA which we have filed, IA 200162. Lord, where, Lord, your lordships were please, Lord, require.
Well, before my learned
CISF
friend says that, I just want,
Deployment, only a minute,
well,
Mr.
before my
Sibal, if you
learned
don't
friend
mind.
takes up, just hold on.
If you don't mind, sir, let me just show.
No, it's on the previous
What is-
matter.
We'll just pass a short order on this.
Lord, the lady.
Well, I just-
One
officials
second.
are
We'll
not-
come back to you in a moment. Let's clarify this part.
Yes,
A status report has been, a status report dated so and so has been filed by the Central Bureau of Investigation. Full stop. Having perused the report, it appears that the investigation is in progress. Full stop. We direct the CBI to file a fresh status report by the next date of hearing. Full stop. List on so and so for considering the fresh status report to be filed by the CBI. So we take it up on Monday for, Tuesday for considering the status report, which would be then filed by the CBI. Let's see what happens between now and because a lot of what has been collected during the course of the last 10 days is subject to further verification. And
we'll also
forensic
investigate,
analysis.
my lord, who collected the samples, because this,
Fair enough.
report, and
we have not,
we will send.
we will
this
stop
to
you, nor
other-
are we guiding the CBI that we want a particular line of investigation to be
Correct,
conducted.
correct.
CBI is doing it. You have flagged issues in the status report. You tell us next Monday
Your
what
lord,
further
I
emerges.
take, my lord, this also on record, the report of the FSL.
We'll return this back to you. Why should we retain it right now?
Whichever way, my lord,
I think
comments.
We'll
your
return
lordship.
that back to you.
Lord, one more thing,
Just,
my lord, out of, my lord, the lady,
First, We'll retain only the second status report on the record. The rest of the papers we'll return back to you.
My lord, there are 3 lady companies, my lord, of CISF. My lord, they are not providing the accommodation to them. They have to travel, my lord, from CISF camp, which is 1.5 hour away from the state. My lord, thereafter, my lord, there are several things which we have requested. It is ordered dated 22nd.
Well,
And
that's-
we are, my lord, almost 15 plus days down the line.
Well, as we have provided, in fact, if your lordship looks at our note, we have provided all that they wanted us to provide, everything that they wanted. Just give it to
The
my.
three companies
Yes.
of women constables
Yes, and
who
we
are
have
guarding the
separate
Adipur
accommodation for the
college,
women.
where are they presently housed?
Well, that's, I just show to your lordships, my lord.
Please.
Kindly see, my lord.
Look, can I have at least that?
Yeah, we just give it to you.
Yes. And I'll also share what is not provided so that you,
Just give it to you.
at least henceforth, you, instruct
Kindly
them
see,
to
my lord.
provide.
Kindly see the accommodation.
Yes.
KMCP Day School, 2.6 kilometers, 13 minutes away. One company proposed strength, one company 54 women personnel. Indira Maitri Shishu Kalyan Hospital, 6 minutes away. One company 54 women
No,
personnel.
when?
These
Because
have
we
been provided.
Hammering since
Then
2 weeks.
3 flats in RMO quarters within so-and-so, on-site 20 for 25 personnel. Currently, 20 CIFS personnel are staying in 2 flats of RMO quarters within
Within the hospital.
the hospital, and the rest of the CIFF personnel are commuting from 12 kilometers away. And the school and Indira Maitri Shishu Kalyan Hospital were undergoing construction, and therefore these are identified by the CISF themselves, Malal. So we put them there. And most of the state police officers deployed by so-and-so come from far-off places like Police Training Academy, Howrah, which is 22 kilometers away, Bodyguard Lines, which is 12 kilometers, and Police Training School, which is 10 kilometers. So, Malal, I mean, over.
Lord, this is my instruction
And
as on
our
10:30
status
today.
reports, Malal, sets out everything.
No, as on 10:30 today, my lord, this is my instruction.
No, but we are telling.
Kindly have a look at this, my lord.
This is, this.
We should not be fighting on this, my lord. The
I-
CISF,
and Therefore, exactly.
we requested for
once I have
handheld metal
stated-
detectors. We requested for door size metal detectors.
Everything.
other
Everything is
equipment.
provided.
They provided that after 2 weeks, but this is
No,
still
no,
not.
Is now remaining to be provided. Mr.
That's
Solicitor, you have
what I
seen
am-
this. They say for housing one company of women personnel consisting of 54 persons, they have provided at KMCP Day School, which is 2.6 kilometers.
Kindly have a look at 10:30, at 10:30, this is
Well,
yet,
let the registrar of the High Court go and see, Malal.
Yes.
let 10:30, my lord, this is at 10:30.
Let him go and
I
see.
don't want, my lord, I'm not enjoying.
Can we can we look at this for a moment, please?
Yes, my lord.
Accommodation for one company provided in 3 locations as below. RMO Quarter, Ajikor Hospital, 20 persons. KMCP School, 40 persons. Indira Maitri Sadan, 30 persons. Likely to be handed over by evening today. 2 companies are
Yet to be provided
yet to be
accommodation.
provided.
Some security gadgets are provided, some are not provided. Lord, I'm not gaining anything by pointing this out. This is what is needed. Lord, if some incident takes place, Lord, I stand responsible now for the security, the CISF.
Just one second. Mr. Sibal, you just check, Ms. Astha Sharma, you can check with the officers.
Yeah,
In your statement, where you have said one company, 54 women personnel,
yes.
that covers one and the same company,
Or,
which has
Either
been
one
provided at
company or 54 women
KMCP and
personnel.
Indira Maitri or Shishu Kalyan
no, Malal, it's
Hospital.
one company / 54 women personnel.
Right, but the same one company.
Yeah.
But now, as of date, they have deployed 3 companies. So the other 2 are yet to be provided by you.
My Lord, when
One
this is
second.
provided?
One
This
here,
is
Malal,
provided
kindly see
yesterday.
Indira Maitri, that's the other one too.
Yeah, that's the second one.
That's the second one. It's in Indira Maitri, Malal, which is
So
1.7
we are trying
kilometers.
to tally what they have handed over with what you have handed over. What they have handed over suggests accommodation for one company provided in 3 locations, which includes 40 persons at KMCP and 30 at Indira Maitri Southern, and 20 persons at RMO Quarter. Now, that indicates that only one company is taken care of. There are other two.
According to us, no.
Persons plus.
Just ask the registrar to go and
Why
check.
don't you,
One
can,
company, why register?
can we suggest this? Why do we have to ask the registrar to do all this?
Because they are
An
contesting.
officer of the state government and an officer of the, a senior officer of the CISF.
We have done that, Manoj.
Not one
On
company
ground, we have
can-
done that. They are not wanting, in fact, Manoj, on the ground, the story is different. Manoj, what can we say, Manoj?
But one
All right,
company,
ऐसा लिख
is
लीजिए।
90 individuals,
Okay.
90 officers.
A total of 3 companies of CISF personnel has been deployed for the security at Hajikor Medical College and Hospital. Full stop. Mr. Kapil Sibal, the state of West Bengal has in its submission indicated that provision for housing the personnel has been made, thus, colon, ये in case में page 1 को tabulated chart ले लीजिए. Prima facie, it appears from the above tabulation that the prima facie, don't say prima facie, it appears from the tabulation. In the statement which has been placed on the record by the union government, on the other hand, it has been indicated that accommodation for one company has been provided in 3 locations, namely at bracket 1, RMA quarter dash RG Hospital, bracket 20 persons, 2, KMCP school dash 40 persons, semicolon, and bracket 3, Indira Matri Sadan, 3, bracket 30 persons. And that the premises are likely to be handed over by the evening today. Full stop. In order to obviate any logistical difficulties, comma, we direct that an officer of the nominated, a sufficiently senior officer of the Home Department nominated by the state of West Bengal and a senior officer of the CISF at the spot shall jointly liaise so as to ensure that all the 3 companies of the CISF personnel which have been deployed at the spot are duly provided for accommodation in the vicinity at par with what has been stated in the tabulated position set out above. Full stop. Next. In the event that any further full stop arrangements have been made for providing 6 buses, 4 trucks, and 3 light motor vehicles. Full stop. The 2 officers shall ensure that all requisitions, that necessary requisitions which are made by the CISF are duly complied with by 5 p.m. today. Full stop. Necessary gadgets for security purposes shall likewise be arranged no later than by 9 p.m. Today.
No, but that's.
As a